protruding or sticky out bits of glass, get it nice and smooth so that we don't trap air when we wind up some more glass. So back on with the block first of all, and then on with the paper. The paper soaked in water, so basically the glass runs on a bed of steam. Right, steam is created when you put the hot glass on the water in the paper. So off he goes down the tube, and then it's going to watch it expand. See the inside there getting bigger, so that black and white bubble is starting to spread towards all those colours we put on, the greys and the white. Well, because of the heat, because it's very, very hot at the moment. Remember, when it comes out to the 1130 degrees. Now, Ian tapped the glass there just to let you see how stiff it's become. But even now, it's 600 degrees. So it's really, really hot. So it's still moving, so you've got to keep the iron turning all the time. Because remember what happens if you don't, it falls on the floor, doesn't it? While it's on the glass, just like hot toffee or hot treats. Amazing, isn't it? And a glass, remember, it's 1,000 degrees or more. So he's using a big block now to bring it under control, shape it up, and keep him turning the iron all the time. And what he's going to do is he's going to chill this bulbous part off, right, with the paper. By chilling it off, it stiffens. So that means when it blows, it cannot go through the bottom because it's stiff. But the side walls still very hot, so the side walls will get bigger. Right? And that means we can keep the thickness for the base, because this end is going to be the base of the vase. Right? So we're going to need to swap it over later on onto another iron when we want to make the long neck and flare it out for a nice shape. So Ian's blowing it up now. You can see all those colours all coming to the surface, and he's having to fight it as well because it's very heavy. And then he's shaping it with a newspaper. Okay? Now, Ian's been off on his holidays for about 3 weeks. He's never made one of these for ages. Before Christmas, if any were in, you'll have seen him making snowmen, Christmas baubles and things. We're back to normal working now. Vases, bowls, perfume bottles and paperweights, yeah. So this is getting a little bit big for the orifice in the glory hole. I have to open the doors now. So poor Ian has to stand in 1220 degrees of heat in there. So it's really, really hot. So now we've got a nice shape, ready for the bulbous part of the vase, and we're going to flatten it on this cork board. We've got a carbon layer, so that means it doesn't stick. But now we've totally changed the shape. So he's going to polish that off with a paper, and you can see the streaks and the swirls in there now with the grey and the white, and then he's using a carbon mat to create the base. And then when Ian's happy, we're going to swap it over onto that other iron, so we're on the rim in the final shape. So you'll attach it to the base, and then once you've got it attached to the base, you'll centralise, get the two irons running in a line. And then you pick up a very sharp file, and douses it in water, and scores along the jack line. That makes it really, really brittle on the jack line. makes it really brittle, and then breaks it off just like that, and then we're ready to work on the rim, lengthening the shaft, and then what we're going to do is chill it off into its final shape. It's very organic.